Reducing plagiarism is essential for maintaining academic integrity and producing original work. Here are some strategies to help you avoid plagiarism. 1. Understand what constitutes plagiarism. Definition. Plagiarism is using someone else's work or ideas without proper attribution, presenting them as your own. Types of plagiarism. Understand the different types, including direct copying, paraphrasing without attribution, and self-plagiarism. 2. Properly cite all sources. Citation styles. Familiarize yourself with different citation styles, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc., and use the appropriate one for your work. In-text citations and references. Ensure every idea, quote, or piece of data from a source is followed by an in-text citation, and include a full reference in your bibliography. 3. Paraphrase. Correctly. Understanding. Thoroughly understand the source material before attempting to paraphrase. Rewriting. Write the information in your own words and structure.